Natural language processing, NLP, is a fascinating field at the intersection of artificial intelligence, AI, and linguistics. It focuses on enabling computers to understand, interpret, and generate human language in a way that is both meaningful and contextually relevant. NLP has made significant advancements in recent years, and it plays a crucial role in various applications, from chatbots and language translation to sentiment analysis and voice assistance. We will explore the world of natural language processing, its underlying concepts, and its impact on our daily lives. Understanding the basics of NLP. At its core, NLP is concerned with bridging the gap between human communication and machine understanding. To achieve this, NLP systems rely on a combination of linguistics, computer science, and machine learning techniques. Here are some fundamental aspects of NLP: tokenization. Tokenization is the process of breaking down a text into smaller units, typically words or phrases, known as tokens. For example, the sentence, "Natural language processing is amazing," can be tokenized into 5 tokens: natural language processing is, and amazing. Tokenization is the first step in many NLP tasks. Part of speech, POS, tagging. POS tagging involves labeling each word in a sentence with its grammatical category, such as noun, verb, adjective, or adverb. Named entity recognition, NR. NR is the process of identifying and categorizing named entities in text, such as names of people, places, organizations, dates, and more. Syntax and parsing. NLP systems analyze the grammatical structure of sentences to understand how words relate to each other. Sentiment analysis. Sentiment analysis, also known as opinion mining, determines the sentiment or emotion expressed in a piece of text. Machine translation. NLP powers machine translation systems like Google Translate, which automatically translate text from one language to another. Speech recognition. NLP is essential in speech recognition systems like Siri and Google Assistant, enabling them to convert spoken language into text and then process it further. Chatbots and virtual assistants. Chatbots and virtual assistants like Amazon's Alexa or chat support on websites use NLP to understand and respond to user queries naturally. Challenges in natural language processing. NLP faces several challenges due to the complexity and ambiguity of human language. Some of these challenges include: 1. Ambiguity. Words and phrases in human language can have multiple meanings depending on context. 2. Context. Understanding the context of a conversation or text is crucial for interpreting meaning. 3. Sarcasm and humor. Detecting sarcasm, irony, and humor is challenging for NLP systems, as they often rely on subtle cues that may be context-dependent. 4. Idioms and colloquialisms. Idiomatic expressions in colloquial language can be difficult for NLP systems to grasp, especially for those not well versed in slang or regional variations. 5. Polysemy. Polysemy refers to words with multiple meanings. 6. Data variability. NLP models require large and diverse datasets for training. Key technologies and techniques in NLP. To overcome these challenges and enable machines to understand human language, NLP relies on various technologies and techniques. 1. Machine learning. Supervised, unsupervised, and reinforcement learning techniques are applied to NLP tasks. 2. Deep learning. Deep neural networks, particularly recurrent neural networks, RNNs, and transformer models like BERT and GPT, have significantly advanced NLP. 3. Word embeddings. Word embeddings like word2vec and glove represent words as dense vectors in a continuous space. 4. Attention mechanisms. Attention mechanisms allow models to focus on relevant parts of input sequences, improving performance on tasks that require capturing long-range dependencies. 5. Pre-trained models. Pre-trained language models, fine-tuned on specific tasks, have become the backbone of many NLP applications. Applications of NLP in everyday life. NLP has become an integral part of our daily lives, powering numerous applications and services. Here are some real-world applications of NLP. 1. Search engines. Search engines like Google use NLP to understand user queries and return relevant search results. 2. Social media. Social media platforms employ NLP for sentiment analysis, content recommendation, and content moderation. 3. Virtual assistants. Virtual assistants like Siri, Alexa, and Google Assistant use NLP to understand voice commands and answer questions. 4. Chatbots. Chatbots in customer support and on websites use NLP to interact with users and provide assistance. 5. Machine translation. NLP powers machine translation services like Google Translate, making it easier to communicate across languages. 6. Text summarization. NLP algorithms can automatically generate concise summaries of lengthy documents or articles. 7. Email filtering. Email providers use NLP to filter spam and categorize emails into primary, social, and promotional folders. 8. Recommendation systems. NLP is crucial in recommendation systems for suggesting products, movies, or articles based on user preferences and behavior. Future trends and challenges in NLP. As NLP continues to advance, several future trends and challenges are worth noting. Multilingual NLP. Developing NLP models that can handle multiple languages seamlessly is a growing area of research. Explainability. As NLP models become more complex, ensuring their transparency and explainability is essential, particularly in applications like healthcare and finance. Bias mitigation. Addressing biases in NLP models is crucial to ensure fair and ethical AI systems. Low-resource languages. Extending NLP capabilities to low-resource languages is an ongoing challenge to promote linguistic diversity. Conversational AI. Advancements in conversational AI aim to create more human-like interactions with machines, improving chatbots and virtual assistants. In conclusion, natural language processing is a rapidly evolving field that plays a pivotal role in enabling machines to understand and interact with human language. It has transformed various industries and continues to shape our digital experiences. As technology and research in NLP progress, we can expect even more sophisticated applications that enhance communication, decision-making, and accessibility in the digital age. Thank you for joining us. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video.